Up in the chair, I woke him up. We are cooking our Sunday dinner. I'm almost done, but I'm gonna do some oven jerk chicken. So I said, you know what, let me video it. So I woke up, Mr. Francis, come and help me. My finger is not so bad today. The swelling went real down. Just the bone hurting me a little, but that's okay. I'm using it. Stop it. I might hurt on my finger. Anyway, we're gonna jerk chicken for you guys. The Francis way. Everybody do their chicken, jerk chicken different. But we're gonna show you how we do our jerk chicken. Stick and stay with us. When we come back, we'll start. Yes, we're gonna do some chicken leg. Mr. Francis already cleaned the chicken leg. Took off the skin, because you know we don't use the skin. When you're jerking chicken, yes, you keep the skin on it, but we took off the skin off ours. And he already washed it with vinegar. So he's gonna season it up. So he put on in gloves. From the other day, want using gloves, and I tell him no, but make him using gloves, because I'm gonna rub the chicken. So come a little closer. Alright. I made some blend seasoning. I use like two stalks of scallion. I use half of an onion, a medium onion. I use piece of a sweet pepper, that's bell pepper. I use a piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, piece of thyme, piece of pepper, that's Scotch bonnet pepper, and some pimento seed. That's my blend seasoning. He's gonna rub some on the chicken leg. Watch us. Alright, so this is the blend seasoning. Smell good, is it, man?
You know it look like.
Oh, man. We're going to pour some on the chicken. Alright, babes. Hold on. Take up one of the chicken. Take up one of the chicken. When you're doing your chicken leg or any part of the chicken, you have to slit like 3 or 4 part of the leg so the seasoning can go between. See? Yes. Because you want all the blend seasoning to go in that little slit. Yes. Go on, Francis. Go on. Rub. You have on your gloves now where you kill yourself when I fall. You sink you way down. Jesus, it smells good. Yeah, make sure you're going on them little groove. Alright, Mr. Francis just finished rubbing in the blend seasoning. So the dry season I'm gonna use, see it there? I'm gonna use some smoked paprika. I'm gonna use some Maggi all-purpose. I'm gonna use some onion powder, some accent seasoning, some jerk seasoning, some dry jerk seasoning, and some Old Bay. And all of that seasoning is 1 teaspoon. So alright, Frano, I could pour it in now. Mix it up. Oh, look at that.
Come closer. See how we do that.
Look at that, people.
And this me used to do. Let me tell you so if you do it, yeah?
Move about your this you used to do. People me don't know must know chef boy this used to do like he used to work in a restaurant.
I used to cook for my children.
When you used to cook for your children then? Yeah. Okay. But people I'm still gonna use 1 teaspoon of the Spurtree jerk seasoning. Alright. Because you afraid of pepper that come. You know what you're talking about now. Hey. And a little soya sauce. And maybe 1 teaspoon too. You don't need any wally.
Now you're gonna taste what I used to give my children. That season, right?
I wish mother you used to make this your children. Them I ask your daughter them. And a little brownie. You don't need a lot of brownie, about half teaspoon, okay? Rub it in now, Francis. Are you that? Rub it up now, Francis. Rub it, man. Rub it. Show the people them. Show the people them.
Look at this.
I don't carry basin.
Alright.
See it here, people. Look how it pretty. Look how it pretty. Alright. Okay, everyone. I already preheated the oven. I'm going to put it in a baking foil. Normally, you would put it in one of these and put it like a grill on top of it, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to put it directly in this.
Wow. It's look good already.
Look at that, people. Hold it up a little more.
That
Is it. We're going to put it in the oven. I put my oven at 250 degree. You can put it lower, but I choose to put it at that degree. But you can put it lower, like maybe 150, and let it take its time and bake. But I choose to put it like this. I'm going to cover it with a piece of file paper, just for it to keep moist. I want it to cook first before it actually get any color. Come, Frano, let's cover it. That is second tray.
Ew.
Alright. So that is it, people. The jerk chicken is in the oven. As soon as I'm going to turn it over, I'll come right back to you. Alright, everyone, welcome back. Mr. Francis is going to take out the chicken out of the oven. We're going to check it to see if it want to turn. It has been in there for about 25 minutes. So let's check.
This thing, yeah?
Wait, you don't need that. You afraid to get burned? Christ, look how Alex stooped down.
Why you think like this?
Yeah, but... Wow. Jesus. Bring the camera a little closer. People, look on this. The chicken coming on lovely. You realize, yeah man, burn your backside.
Yeah, so you tell me about that really. So you tell me now what it with this stuff. Jesus Christ.
People, Mr. Francis are all the thing. And they burn him up. Oh God, hush. Hush me, babes, hush. So, you see, this is why I cover my chicken, so it can be tenderized. Look, you see it? Look on it, Alric. You see everything I squeeze out of it? I dry out? Yeah. This is why I do it. So, it start cooking now. I'm going to put it back in the oven. Come back again when I take it out. Okay, everyone, time to check the, the chicken again. Mr. Francis, make sure him set up, because the last time he got burned. So him don't want to get no burn again. So, we're going to check it one more time. Aroma, people, it's bad.
Okay,
Alright, babes. Look, man. Oh, whoa.
You have to fight a burn, yeah?
No,
The steam.
the steam, man. I don't want the steam catch me. Look at that. This is why I normally cover it up so the water can, what I say?
Sweat.
It spring all the water and I throw it off and I cover it again. Let me show you something. Look on this. I cook it now. It's soft. Look at that. Yeah, man. You see all the amount of water that is in the chicken? That's why I covered it. But let me tell you, it smells so good. I'm going to pour off some of this water. And then I'm going to flip the chicken and put it back again. Alright. I'm going to leave just a little in there. Just to keep the foil moist. And I'm going to turn over the chicken.
I'm start coming off of the bone already.
Yep. It's almost done. Almost done. Boy, it smells good. Me not tell a lie. Smell real good. Alright, one more flip. We cover it. And then when we take it out the next time, we're gonna leave the foil paper off. We're not gonna put the foil paper on it. You saw the chicken it's shrinking, that means your chicken is cooking. Because it's shrinking. Let's cover it again. We can actually taste it, you know. Blow. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. My God. Cover it again. Alright, Beers, put it back in, please. So, see, the chicken is almost done. Ah. A big man tell me, say me big enough people. You must say 2 we can hold in the kitchen. Okay, we're going to give that a couple more minutes. When we take it out, we're not going to put the foil paper on it again. And then we're going to let it get color and we're done. So come again with us. Alright people, I'm going to make some jerk sauce for the chicken. So when I take it out, I'm going to put it on it. But the liquid that I poured off from the chicken, I'm going to use it to make the sauce. I'm going to put it on the stove. I'm going to use some jerk seasoning. Maybe half a teaspoon. Half teaspoon all purpose. And half teaspoon accent seasoning. I'm going to use some jerk seasoning. Not the dry one, the liquid one. I'm going to use some cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Like maybe a tablespoon in some cold water. Now people, this is how I make my jerk chicken and my jerk sauce. Everybody do it differently. So whatever you want to change, whatever you want to tweak, you can do it. If you want more pepper, if you want more jerk sauce with a dry sauce or the wet sauce, or more scotch bonnet pepper or whatever, you can do anything you want. But that's the way, this is just the way I do it. But everybody does their jerk chicken differently. Alright, this sauce is finished. We're going to take out the chicken out of the oven and then we pour it on and we come right back to you. And I'm going to put a little more of the wet jerk seasoning. Like maybe a teaspoon. And that's it. It's going to give it a little kick. Here, Mr. Francis around the back. Don't make it pepper. But with sauce coming along. Look at that. Alright, people, gonna take it out of the oven. And then we're gonna put the sauce on it. Funny like.
Yeah.
It cook, man.
Nice. I just gonna take over my cooking.
You're cooking? Wow.
Yeah.
Wait, say my hand get better, so
Yeah. Alright, don't call me next time.
we can't interchange, man. What you talking about?
Okay.
You know, it's a teamwork.
Can start season them, you're going to dress it up. Alright? Do your thing.
Wait, say you don't want to dress it up. What me do the fuck? I'm gonna flip it over and put some sauce at the other side. On the other side. You saw it fall off the bone. And this time when I put it in the oven, I'm not gonna put the file paper on it because it's already baked. If you want, you can make the sauce thicker, but I didn't want it thicker. I want it just like this. We're going to put it back in the oven to get a little color and to dry out a bit, and we are done. Okay. And people, at this point, I'm going to turn up my temperature to 400.
Ah!
Jesus Christ, do it again.
You tell me say it no hot. It not hot.
No, me tell you say don't come.
You tell me say that never hot for the
No,
first time.
man, you're crazy, man. Yeah, but I take it out of the oven, babes. Jesus Christ, no, sir.
What
Yeah,
your
brother.
Jesus Christ.
Well, you know there's something wrong with you? Alric, it in the oven, you hold it like that so deep. Alright, show. Hey, no, it's not my husband. Look at this, people. Look at this. There we go. Come, babes, chop up piece, make them see. Rest it over there, so okay, you can't stay over there, so. Upon with chopper, we're gonna chop chicken. Oh God, babe, hush.
Them no need to chop you. Them no need to
Come
chop.
man, who want people them see say it good inside. People, him was choppy. You must say no need for chop. We want to see it. Hold it down with the fork, babes. Alright, look.
Chicken leg need to chop? No.
Yes, me want them see it. Jerk chicken. Look, that a fall off the
So it
bone.
can't, so it can't chop.
Chop it, babes. Chop
It
it.
can't chop. It cannot chop.
Come, let me chop it. Let me chop it.
You see that? You see that? No.
Mm-mm.
You see what I tell you?
My
No
God.
chopping.
Oh. Mm-mm. Boy. Mm-mm. Babe. Mm-mm.
Spicy.
Spicy, man. It's bad. Mm-mm. People. It's bad. Hey, everyone. I'm going to plate some so you can see. Stick and stay with us. But I tell you.
May I eat my one from now.
No. This is Mr. Francis dinner.
Again, right or so? Oh, yes, on my table?
No, you say you have to stand up and eat. You go down on your foot. Alright, people, look at it. Wait the beers. Let me show the people them. Let me show them. This is the final dish. Look at the jerk chicken. Look there. And I cook some oxtail. And I put it right beside it. Show them the jerk chicken, babes. Show them how it's soft and nice and look at that. Show them it take cook. Nice. Ready, eh? And it's not too spicy. Because we know you don't like spice like myself.
Yeah.
Good.
Good. People, good.
That is it, people.
Yeah.
That is our version of jerk chicken in the oven. I like it in the oven because jerk chicken in the pan, like Jamaica jerk chicken, the real Jamaican jerk, I cannot take the smoke. And that's why I hardly eat jerk chicken. The smoke tend to bother my sinuses. So I rather the oven jerk chicken. And so that's when I'm cooking it. This is the way I cook it. But it is good. Try it. And let me know how it tastes.
But I look at table.
Oh, you forgot how me attack. You see these people? You see these people? Anyway, Mr. Francis eager for eat him dinner. People, I would just want to thank you for everything that you're doing, your comments, for subscribing, for coming back to the channel. Simple mean we're doing something right, and all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Many thanks. And those who are watching and not subscribing, please, I'm asking you, subscribe. When you subscribe, just let me know that you subscribe. Okay? Thank you very much. I know that you can watch any channel, but you come back to the Francis. So that means we're doing something that you like.
We're not a chicken fan, but
thank you very much. Mr. Francis don't like chicken and he's eating it. So that means it is done correct. It is done just right. And we did it together as usual. From we were living in Jamaica, we normally cook together like... Thank you. We used to come from work, I used to work till 5 o'clock. Mr. Francis work until around 3:30. He used to come and pick me up. When we go home, both of us is in the kitchen. Yes, if I'm cooking the meat, he's cooking the food. If I'm making the veg, yeah, we're always in the kitchen together. Yeah, so we're always a team. We go on the road, you're not going to see one without the other. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about the channel. And as usual, eat good food, make belly bust. We are out. Them.